Hello everybody, my name is Victor Kotov. Welcome to today's video. Now, this setup reminds me of the old Kotov absent days. But that's all over, and yeah, today's a tutorial and a challenge video. So it's basically how to produce a chill lo-fi beat in 30 minutes, in half an hour. So I've got 30 minutes on the clock, and I hope you enjoy it. So let's go. 30 minutes. I'm setting a timer right now. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using GarageBand first because it's easier for the beginner. Second, because it's easier and faster for me. And last but not least, it's on an iPad, so I can screen record it and show it to you easier. So go 3, 2, 1, start. All right, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, let's go. Now, I've opened up a new project. How we proceed? First of all, I've made like a short checklist of things I want to do. First comes the melody, then drums, then velocity and effects. Drum fills. I'm going to add a bass, then a progression or something, and then effects, and then we're done. And to start off, the tempo. Yeah. I reckon that it's around 65 to 70, so yeah. Okay, so you can just tap here like that and it will show you the tempo. I did it in 8 notes, so it's going to be 70. Alright, let's set it to 70, and that's going to be your tempo for the song. Of course, we're in 4/4. And now to choose a piano. This is the piano that I use. It's Parallel Earth Piano. Now, just take a listen. It makes you cry. It makes you cry. And that is what is really important. So, let's, I think I'm just going to think of a simple melody. Remember, we're not going to put short notes in here. We're going to go for long ones. And in case you don't know any chords, just do this. Go for example, C3 and then C4. When you play them together, it sounds great. Just because it's one octave higher. Simple as that. I'm going to think of a short melody and I'm going to check in with you a bit later. It's basically memorizing some parts of a scale. I personally don't understand them. I'm a drummer, not a pianist. But it's A, C, E for the first option. It sounds like this. Super moody, love it. Then B, D, and then half note higher from F. Love it. And then E, G, B. Oh, amazing. And as I said earlier, you just add up one of the notes. If you choose, for example, you could choose, I don't know, you could choose B, or no, you could choose, for example, let's say you choose B. Just use B one octave lower, and when you add them up, it sounds like this. Way more colorful and moodier, and like one whole thing. So you could basically play for a bit with these progressions that I showed you, and mine just sound like this. It does the job. It does the job. I'm going to play it with them just a little more to make them more exciting. But overall, I think that's what I'm going to use for this beat. Alright, so this is what I came up with. remember, when it comes down to lo-fi beats, make sure you always end with a chord that's lower than the previous one, because you want to have this downfall so it sounds moodier and actually sadder. Like in my case, it's a repetition with just one note added, but it does the job. Now what I'm going to do is select all these and join them, so I can then basically loop them. And now it's a loop. Now it's time to add drums. So I chose this afterbatic drum machine and I put the hi cut low so it sounds deep, like it's underwater. Oof. And the snare drum is faded. And now I'm thinking about this beat, but it's going to be a lot slower. So it's going to be, and I think with these faded sounds it's going to be really moody. So yeah, I'm going to try it out and I'm going to show you what happens. Okay, so now it's time for the bass. What I've done is I've copied all of the chords from the Earth piano, and then I'm just going to find bass, and then I'm going to I don't know, choose something I like, and then just paste them in the line. Let's see how this. Oh, that's deep. I like Picasso. Now lower the release, and now put it into the timeline. I'm going to just paste them. Now what I'm thinking, I'm just going to leave, let's say, these, just the upper ones. I'm just going to delete them and leave the other ones. They're basically the same. They're over each other with the other ones, so it can't sound offbeat or bad. And then here I'm just going to make it sound like a longer note, not like a 16 for the 8th note. I think, yeah, here eight notes. We don't want that, we want 4 notes, so I'm going to delete these and these. Oh, it sounds disgusting. I think I'm going to change. And then these two, I'm going to join them as one. So basically delete these and make this longer. And now here I think I'm going to just leave the, yeah, I think I'm going to leave the lower one. Yeah. So to have this downfall, as I mentioned before, and then this is how it sounds. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's actually good. It's actually pretty decent, and it's simple as hell. Checking with you in a bit. What I've done is actually I've got to the part of the progression, and it's not like a real progression, but check this out. So what I've done is to actually just mix them up, mix the chords just a little. So here they go like this. Here here, I've changed them up. I've just changed the places and their duration. Now I did the man melody. I have drums. I have a bass line that is a bit different for every section. I don't have to show you the second time how I did it. You know, I just copy paste and simplified, and then I have these percussions. Now the last thing I want to do is just change the velocity of some of them notes. So to make it sound more realistic, what you would like to do is make the second hit, for example the hi-hat, sound a little less powerful. So here you just click on it and get velocity. You can hear the difference. And if I do this on every single one without paying much attention how precise the settings are, it's going to sound a bit messier, more realistic. Check it out. There is a small difference, a tiny difference. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Just lower every second note, just like that, and it's going to sound more realistic. Alright guys, I'm ready. Just for the record, it took me 49 minutes to get this ready. But so what I've done is I've searched over here some loops. I found what was interesting. I've searched for percussions and effects. For example, I added this one here, and just to make this like what I was searching for. Then I mix things up just a little in the end here by, for example, here I modified the drums from sounding like this to sounding like this. Here it's almost the same. Here you can hear a bit of a difference. There is one more bass drum kick pedal added, and I've switched things up. These are pretty easy things that you could do. Just take it from one place and put it into another. Yeah, and let's take a listen. guys, I really hope you like this video. If you want to hear the whole thing, just click the link in my bio, the first. And yeah, I really hope you like this video and it was useful. And yeah, see you soon. Don't forget to check it out, link in my bio. It's a new channel. Thank you for all the support. See you soon.